Hi, today in Normal High.
Oh, it's not focused.
Oh, dang it. Okay.
It's not focusing.
Anyway, today in Normal High, I will show you the tour of our school and how we have educated the youth of this school. Thank you.
Ah, yes.
Oh my god, this is gonna be a crazy vlog. What's up, guys? What's up, my fam?
Oh, okay.
I would also like to say, my friend, her name is Kylie Sexton, my best friend. That's her. She said 6 and 6 is 12.
Oh my god. And 24 is greater than 25.
So we all like to thank you for being born. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hold on, let's just throw. No.
That gooey stuff in your eye.
How do you zoom in? Yo guys, it's I got with the crew here.
Welcome back to
Janet.
my vlog. We're heading to
Marshall
LA
here.
today, y'all. Time lapse it there.
Oh man.
Alright, 13 hours later, we're finally there.
We're at the vape head here. Vapor. Yeah. What you say? What was that? What was that? What was that?
That's what they thought. Yes.
What was that? Oh, do something.
It's a Mena Noel vlog.
We got Skrillex here in the
Yeah,
house.
yeah. You know me.
We know what it is. You know what it is. We got Eminem in the house too. We got Eminem.
Yo, is that Eminem?
Oh, and special guest. Hey, it's my boy Seth. He just arrived. Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, you know what it is. Whole like gang thing. Whole like gang thing. Hey, Rachel, you want to say anything?
I got a lemon.
You have a woman? Yeah. Pretty cool. Hey, Tara, you want to say anything?
When life gives you lemons.
You want to say anything? No? Okay.
Well, because I give you gun.
Hey, what's up, B? How's it been? What's up, Jordan? Alright, we good. You want to sign off to the vlog?
What?
Okay. Okay. I'm Jared. We got Kodak Black signing off.
Hi, I am Janet, and I hate this class. My teacher cannot teach. I've learned nothing. And my favorite quote of this class that was from my mouth was, "What is education? More like what is tarnation."
What intonation? So here I am talking because a lot of things happened. And I experienced a lot of things. Obviously, these are photos of me looking like a snack, meal, whatever you want to say to yourself. And I tried this makeup look for a couple of days. I tried and do some sunset look. And then I found a different look, peeled off my fake eyelashes, and that was satisfying. And then I showed my everyday look, which, you know, it'd be rough like that sometimes.
Yeah.
And then just thank you for watching and enjoy, like, subscribe, do what you gotta do. It be like that sometimes. It really does be like that. Thank you. I love you. Bye.